Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and we'll be looking at a plugin for Adobe Premiere and After Effects, which is Aejuice. So let's get started. So Aejuice provides the plugin for Adobe Premiere and After Effects. Over here you can see that they have offer at the time when I'm recording this video with the happy holidays. You can buy the whole bundle for $199, and if you scroll down you can see the best sellers in the last 7 days, where you can buy them individually or you can buy as a whole, as they have mentioned it above. So they also offer some of the free plugins. If you click over here, you will come across this landing page where you can download the version for Windows and Mac. You can even download them individually, but as soon as you click on them, it will direct you to the same anchor point for Windows and Mac. As soon as you click on the link, you will be asked to enter your email ID, where the link will be sent to you in your inbox, and then you can download the package manager for Aejuice. So it runs in 3 variations. The first one is the standalone one, which is like this, as it says on your title bar, that Aejuice Pack Manager stand alone. So you can browse each of them. These are the one which I have already purchased under my user ID, and these are the one which are free to available for to try. You can try all of these, and you can try these one just for the sake if you want to buy this in the future. So going on to the Premiere, Adobe Premiere, like I have downloaded the stock video over here just for an example to show you how it works. So here is a video of a dancing lady, and you can insert the effect, Aejuice effect in this video, where after the installation you can go over to Window and Extension, and you can see Aejuice Pack Manager 4, which is the latest version over here. As soon as you click, it will fire up, and after some time it will load all your packages. These are the packages available. You can go on the products. These are the one which you have buy under your like I have bought this under my user ID, and these are the one which I have already told that these are the free one which you can try. So let's get to the starter pack and insert this effect just for example. Click on import, and here you can see that it's downloading one file. It's giving you the tip for also importing in progress, and there you go. Minimize this one, and you can see the effect over here. Like you can see a splash, a blood splash in the video. Even if you can see the video is a bit in 4K high resolution, so it will seek difficultly. So if you it will be easy when you will render this for the post-production. So you can tweak this by double clicking it, and you can change the color. You can change it manually or make it something which is green. So now if you play it from the beginning, you can see that effect, right? So it will be more visible and it will be more crisp when you render your final project. So let's try one more from the one which I have already purchased, where you can see let's try the liquid pack, and try the one which is this. Let's try this one, or maybe this one. Let's press 07, import, wait for it to get downloaded, downloading one file, importing in progress, and there you go. Now you can see where your head is, it will import from there only. So you can see the difference. The one which was free have just one option to change the color, and the one which you buy or have you already bought in the future have several colors. So I can change the color. You can see over here, you can change its position, you can make it a stroke, or if you want the sparkling one, you can glow it also by clicking on glow. This is the one, and if you play it, you can see you can get a job like something dancing, which is most popular nowadays in music videos. So this is how it works. It has several features. You can even move the position just by going over here and moving the coordinate of x-axis and y-axis, like if I want to place it near its knee. So just like if she's kicking something and there's a splash, an electric splash, so something like that, you can get it done in your project. So it works like this. There you go. So just try the same effect or something like that in After Effects. So this was Adobe Premiere. You can easily import, just play around it and you will get through it. There are many plugins, over here. You can try each of them. I have downloaded all of them, and you can see that these are the one under for which I have already bought. So moving along, you can try this in After Effects. Is After Effects the same video which I have already imported from the free store? And let's go to Windows, and here you can see Aejuice Pack Manager 4. Click on it, and this is the plugin window for our Adobe After Effects. So let's try something new, something like if you go to the product, I have downloaded this blooper pack for YouTube, and click on this one and import. It will import this, preparing download 3 files. Like they have several pieces of bits bind together to make a single element. So over here you can see, if I scroll, you can see the subscriber. It's a big, huge. You can move it around over here, and you can change the size. So here you can, if you can play, because the video is a bit high, so let me get to its 1/4, yes. So there you go. You can get the idea that how it works. So it's more easy to insert in After Effects as compared to Premiere Pro, but the working is the same. Working are the same. You can change the color, you can change, here's a placeholder, you can put your face in, your channel name, subscribe, and the most what people used to do nowadays for getting the subscriber, likes, and the bell ring. So this is how it's work in Adobe After Effects. There will be a link for the free download in my description, so you can download it directly and give it a try, and let me know in comments that what do you think about Aejuice. It is one of the good plugins which you can get with a minimal cost. Let's give it a try first, and most of your project will be fulfilled. So give me a shout, subscribe to my channel if you like the videos, and if I miss something, just let me know. Bye bye. Thank you very much.